Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. For this evening, I am Daedran. Skillibeng alleges theft of jewelry from local airport. Authority responds. On Thursday evening, the St. Thomas native took to Instagram, stating that a worker at the Norman Manor International Airport stole jewelry from his luggage amounting to $100,000. The DJ, who seemed rather disgruntled by the incident, told the alleged thief to return the items, adding that the individual has a limited time frame to do so. He concluded by saying everyone on duty knows who was responsible for searching the bags. The airport advised the DJ to have the incident reported to the police, but speaking with E Prime, CEO of PAC Kingston Airport Limited, Satara English Byfield, stated that the airport is yet to receive a formal report.
I don't know of an issue. It was posted on social media, but us at the airport have no formal report of any theft.
Jamaican track athletes tapped by Netflix. Earlier today, the streaming platform dropped the official trailer for its upcoming docuseries, Sprint. According to Netflix, the series covers every moment of the long journey from the 2023 World Championships to the 2024 Paris Olympic Games. The film will feature the fastest woman alive over 200 meters, Shericka Jackson, plus Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Usain Bolt, among others. Speaking exclusively with E! Prime earlier this year, Jackson revealed that she was working on something special with Netflix.
Oh, it was Netflix, but I took off the mic, so they were here to get all the behind the scene, the makeup, the hair, the glam all up, and yeah, we were here.
The film premieres on July 2 ahead of the 2024 Olympics. Now, the Olympic Games in Paris will run from Friday, July 26 to Sunday, August 11. All the best to our athletes. Now, in other entertainment news, Major releases the first single under Rock Nation. The Grammy-winning singer-songwriter and son to dancehall icon Bounty Killer continues to see immense success since his debut on the music scene, with his most recent being signed to American rap mogul Jay-Z's label, Rock Nation. Speaking with E! Prime, he shared his excitement for being signed to the label.
Rock Nation's been great, man. The morale's been good. Everybody's excited. Everybody's pushing to make this, the biggest single possible. So I'm very excited about that, and just excited to kind of put in work and really, maximize the potential of the deal.
Earlier today, he released his first track on the label titled X's.
Exes, the main phrase in the song is all my exes love me. So it's kind of self-explanatory. And, that just kind of come from just my honesty and my truth and how I deal with people when I first meet them.
He shared that following the release of the song, he is already receiving love both locally and internationally.
Plenty of great responses, It hit radio in LA, hit radio in Jamaica, and it just came out. So it's been going wonderful.
He also spoke to receiving support from his father.
It's beautiful to see my dad really support the movement, and he's when it's my moment, it's all about me.
That's it for your weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.